how to turn off comments on Facebook profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook profile. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Facebook app, please make sure to visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Facebook is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date, just go ahead and open that up. And what we're going to do is to go to the menu page right here so that we can access our profile. And just click on see your profile over here, and that should open up your profile. Once you scroll down, you should see your posts. And if you want to turn off comments on a particular post, just click on the three dotted button at the top right corner of a specific post. For example, if I want to limit the comments or to turn off comments on this post, just click on that and click on edit privacy over here. So what we're going to do first is to set the privacy or the audience to that specific post to public. Just click on that and click on done. And let's just refresh this page by scrolling all the way up, and that should load up and refresh our profile. After that, make sure that your post is now public. Just click on the three dotted icon again, and you should see the option who can comment on this post. Just click on that, and you should see these three options over here, so you can select which people can comment on your post. If you want your friends to comment on your post, just click on that. Or if you want to only the profiles and pages you mentioned to be able to comment on your post, just select that option. So I recommend this third option for you to select that, because it will limit most people to comment on your Facebook profile. So just click on done over here. Also take note that your choice only affects this particular post. Just click on done and wait for that to be set up, and only the pages or people you mentioned in your post should be the only ones who are able to post a comment on that post. So that is how you can basically turn off comments on Facebook profile. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.